What's going on, boys? It's your boy Randy Nothing here, back with another YouTube video. It's my first ever guitar tutorial. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be learning All the Small Things by Blink-182. This song is super simple. And yeah, we're going to be in standard tuning. I got my Stratocaster here. Her name's Chloe. I love her. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, boys, to start this song off, we're just going to go grab a G power chord and an F power chord. And it's pretty simple. You just go. Pretty much it. Alright, boys, so after that first little baby intro, we move on to the main riff, which is like the actual intro. And with our right hand, we're just going to do downstrokes, all eighth notes. We're going to first start off on this C power chord, that's 3rd fret, 5th string. And we're going to move that shape up to an F after that. Then we're going to go back to the C, and we're going to go up to a G, and then we got the mutes, and then we're going to go down to an F. So, real slow, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, F, C, G, mutes, F. So, pretty simple pattern, just hit that twice and your intro's chillin'. Alright, so after that main riff slash intro, we're going to go straight into the first verse. With our right hand, we're still going to be doing eighth notes, downstrokes, but we're going to be palm muting right up on the bridge. Kind of got to find that sweet spot if you've never, or if you haven't practiced palm muting before, but you'll get used to it. So our first chord is going to be a C, then we're going to go up to a G, we're going to go down to an F, and then we're going to go back up to a G. And you play this 4 times, like this. At the end of it, you just end with a one strum on that C, right? Because when you finish your verse, you start with the C. So when you're done playing that 4 times, you just end on that C with the big. And there's your verse. There's your verse and your second verse. They're both the same. All right. So after you let that C ring out, the words come in with "say it ain't so, I will not go, turn the lights off, carry me home." And you don't play anything during that part. You just let that C ring out. You just let that C ring out, and you come back in with the na 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 nas, which is basically the chorus. So it's the same thing as a verse. You're playing a C, G, and F. You just don't go back to the G. So you play that twice, and then after that, after you play that 2 times, you go back into that main intro riff. So this is basically how it goes. Go back into the second verse. Same thing as the first verse. Alright, there's one more piece to the song, and it's going to be the bridge. So we have one guitar playing octaves. If you don't know what octaves are, it's basically just a power chord, but you just take out the 5th. So our first octave is going to be a C. So you just find your C power chord, take off your 5th, and just play. I play with my pinky, but you're just basically playing the root note, and then another octave higher. So that's 2 C's right there. So you're going to play a C octave, a D octave, and an E octave. So it kind of goes like this. You play that through the entire part, through the entire bridge. And if you have another guitarist or something, he's going to be playing this little arpeggio. So we're going to grab a C power chord and just take off your root finger. And just play that. Play those two fingers on the 5th fret, 4th and 3rd string, and you just alternate them. So I like to play it palm muted, and I just go 4 to 3, so it's... Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so basically after that bridge, you just go back into the last chorus. I think the chorus is like four more times. But yeah, that's about it. Those are all the parts. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if this was helpful in any way. Yeah, go shred that shit, dude. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if it was helpful in any way. It's my first tutorial ever. There'll probably be a lot more where that came from. So let me know if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, turn bell notifications on, and like this video so other people can learn from it too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Peace.